Hey, welcome to another episode of the Justine Review. If you're new here, welcome. If you're not, welcome back. My name is Justine and I do reviews of products, services, and experiences with a little bit of vlogging and lifestyle sprinkled in. Today's video is going to be a hotel review, and I am in the beautiful parish of Portland, Jamaica. If you look behind me, you see the ocean and you hear the waves, and it's just so serene and beautiful at this location. And this location is none other than the Seacliff Resort and Spa. This property is really beautiful. The rooms are quite gorgeous, and I'm gonna be doing a room tour later in this video, so stick and stay tuned for that. But I'm also gonna be sharing with you the other amenities that they have here at this resort. It's a nice little boutique hotel in Portland, Jamaica, and it's just, I can't even describe how serene and natural and beautiful this property is. You just have to come here and see it for yourself. But before we jump into today's video, as usual, I'm gonna ask you to subscribe to my channel. Hit that subscription button down below. Press the notification bell if you also want to know when I upload new videos. If you want to follow me on my other social media platforms, it's at Justine B on Instagram, Twitter, and TikTok. So without further ado, let's jump into today's video and take a walk through the property. That's my friend's meal. This is coconut rundown with saltfish, I think, or salt mackerel, and of course boiled food, dumpling, and banana. And mine is steamed veg with dumpling, yam, and banana. Yummy. This is what the room looks like. It's gorgeous. Oh my goodness, wow. So let's start by going into the bathroom. So this is the bathroom, and we've been staying in here for a while, so we've been using the stuff. That's the face basin area with that nice big mirror. The shower is a nice big shower, big overhead shower. Of course, regular toilet, paintings. It's nice and roomy and airy. So that's it for the bathroom, and they actually do have a power plug where you can plug in your hair dryer or whatever other appliance you might need to use. So that's the bathroom, nice and quaint, well, nice, tastefully done. Our towels are hanging here, and then they also give us robes. So there you go, and you have hangers where you can hang your clothes. There's a safe right here. And then, oh, I love this piece of artwork as well. A small TV, nice big mirror, a coffee and tea station, and they have actual real coffee, and a French press. I love to use a French press, and a kettle. And there's a mini fridge. That's my little cooler that I brought for the road trip. I also have some snacks and stuff in this little container thing here that we did for our picnic yesterday. Then it's a nice big queen size bed, king size bed. Wow, this is gorgeous. And don't mind this, because this is me just fixing up back the bed. This is not housekeeping that has fixed this, because we slept here last night. And so yeah, this is what the inside of the room looks like. It's nice and airy and spacious. There are nice art pieces in here. Look at this one, it's so cute. And I really like this one. is just, you know, out of the box. And you can see they have an iron up there that we can use. There's a fan, a ceiling fan, there's air conditioning, and a whole lot of lighting. Let me show you guys. Like, the lights are top tier. Look at that. Nice recessed lighting. More light here. Right? Alright. And one of the things that I like about this room, look at this. There is a plug at the side of the bed. They also have the light switch right here. It's like, it's just so well thought out. They have different types of plugs too. Don't watch our clothes and stuff, our luggage. So they have different types of plugs, and they have so many different outlets in the room where you can just plug in stuff and you can get things done. More light switches here. But my favorite thing about this place is the outside. Look at this. Oh my gosh, this is so beautiful. Look at the ocean. You have a hammock that you can use as well, and this ocean view is just spectacular. So yeah, this is it. Hammock and all of that. Really nice space. So this is the main hotel area, and then this way you have the white cap suites, which are a little bit more luxurious, and then down towards this way is where you have the villas. So let's go see what they have down here. This is what the balcony of what one of the regular rooms look like. This is the outside. So gorgeous. One of the regular hotel rooms, yeah. And then down here is where they have the villas. So let's walk down. The pool area is also on this side. This property is just really, it's nice and small, quaint, really beautiful. So these are the main hotel, and then down here we have the villas. So we have one called In Seclusion Edge, and you have one called Sea Lovey. We're gonna walk down to the pool and we can just see. They also offer massages, so this is the massage bay here, and they have other spa services as well. So in here, I guess, and in there is where they would set up. Pool is this way. Morning. Just lovely. So this is the pool. You go, and then over on this side is where they have the villas. Quite lovely. So I won't go too far, but let's just take a quick walk up. So this is one. Can't go inside, but we can see. One villa called Sea Dream. And there's some others on this side, and all of these villas have nice beautiful tubs in them. Lovely. Lovely, lovely, lovely. Right. And they all have this lovely ocean view that I'm walking towards. Just spectacular. Can't really see much, so you do have your privacy, which I love. And just look at this ocean. Listen, just wow. Yeah. All right, so that's it for the property, our little walk through. You can see the pool from here and the main building, and then these are some of the villas. Another villa down there with the solar water heater. That is the end of today's video, but before I wrap up, I just want to give you my final review of this property. For the food, I give them roughly an 8 out of 10. It's tasty. The service of the wait staff could use some improvement, but overall the service here was pretty great. They were very responsive, and the guy was even who I booked with. That's Brett Hannah. Shout out to you, Brett. They don't actually allow you to rent or to book some of these rooms for less than 2 nights, but because my schedule didn't allow and I was only able to do 1 night, he actually made an exception so that I could book one of the white cap rooms, which is one of the higher end rooms, for only 1 night. So thank you for that. Thank you guys for being accommodating. Back to the food, they did have more than one plant-based option, and I was very pleased with that. The chef, let me tell you something, the food, chef's kiss, may I tell you, for real, so good. See, well seasoned. My friend who came here with me had the curry goat, and may I tell you, say, eating right down to the freaking bone because it was that good. Just general, the ambience of the place, the options you have in terms of the types of rooms they have actual hotel rooms, then they have a little bit higher end rooms with tubs, etc., and then they have entire villas that you can stay in, and all of them are just so tastefully decorated and well thought out. Just generally the property itself, I feel like, is well thought out, and they have done a good job in terms of catering to guests here. So I would highly recommend you try this spot if you like boutique hotels and you like to have a unique experience and you want to experience this level of beauty and this level of just serene nature. Then I suggest that you definitely come to this spot. So once again, guys, thank you so much for staying to the end of this video. I always invite you to subscribe to my channel. You know, that helps me to grow. I'm trying to get to 1,000 subscribers, so help a girl out. All you have to do is click on the subscription button down below and you hit the notification bell if you want to know when I upload new videos. If you want to see what I'm doing on my other social media platforms, it's at Justine D on Instagram, Twitter, and TikTok. Thanks again for watching. I love you guys so much, and of course, just watch another video while you're here and while you're at it, because you know. Cheers, bye.